keep your eyes on me.
Storms may appear, but you're safe when I'm near.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Why don't you just come to me, come to me.
Come to me. We saw a shadow walking across the waves at night. Fear gripped every heartbeat. Is that a ghost inside? But you said, do not fear. Your voice was sure and clear. If it's truly you out there, Lord, just tell me to come here. So I stepped out of the boat, but the storm was too close.